Hello, fellow YouTubers. This is Ryan2Gamer here, and it is that time of month again. It is Loot Crate time. Time to open Loot Crate. If you don't know, Loot Crate is a monthly subscription. Each month there's a different theme to it. This month is the Galaxy. So let's see what we got, shall we? Open. First of all, let's see what this is. Siraha. Siraha. See that? And let's see what character. Some guy right there. I don't know who he is. From some show. But pretty cool. Put him right here. Next thing. What are you doing in here? Oh, cool. It's a toy. It's a cool toy. See the toy? You want it? Too bad, can't have it. Let's see here. Oh my god. It's a Tribble. It's a Tribble. Look at that. It's a Tribble. I don't know if you ever seen the old Star Trek, but in the old Star Trek there is an episode with these cute little fuzzy things called Tribbles. And basically you do not want to feed these guys, because if you feed these guys, they will multiply. Seriously multiply. So if you get this, please do not feed it. Very dangerous. So other than that, it's not dangerous at all. Just don't feed it. This is a special Loot Crate edition. This is only for people that get Loot Crate. It has the color of Loot Crate. Very, very cute. And let's chance it and open the thing. You ready? Oh, look at the little thingy. Look at the little thingy. Ooh. Get out of here. Okay, next thing. Let's see here. And we got a magnet. I don't know what it's a magnet of, but it's a magnet. Done the same. We got a thing, basically like a big coupon. We got a download a free Halo book, first edition. Okay. We got the Guide to the Galaxy. Seriously? Guide to the Galaxy? Just kidding. It's just the booklet on tell you what you got and certain things on the Loot Crate. It's not the Guide to the Galaxy. Just kidding you. But look at this. It's a 3D image of Han Solo. No, just kidding. It's a regular image. Regular poster of Han Solo. And last but not least, we got... Thank you, Loot Crate. I really want to thank Loot Crate, because now I am bloody rich. Look at this. Look at this, all this money. Now I don't ever have to work again. Basically I'm rich. Thank you, Loot Crate. I'll go out and spend it right away. Yeah, look at all these hundreds. Oh, wow. Thank you, Loot Crate. So that's been the Loot Crate opening. See, nothing left. Hope you like this. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.